what's happening here? Which two signs should be interchanged to make the given question correct? Okay na? Chudamma. 15 plus 30 divided by 6 into 40 minus 60 should be equal to what? 55. The answer should be for 55. Sorry, 55. So, if I interchange divide and into, నాకు ఏమవుతుంది? 6 divided by 40 అవుతుంది, అవునా కాదా? అప్పుడు ఆన్సర్ డెసిమల్స్లో వచ్చేస్తుంది. సో వచ్చే ఛాన్సెస్ ఉంటాయా? లేదు. సో ఫస్ట్ ఆప్షన్ అనేది కుదరదు. సెకండ్ ఆప్షన్తో పాటు చూడు, ప్లస్ అండ్ డివైడెడ్ బై ఇంటర్చేంజ్ చేస్తే 15 divided by 30 అవుతుంది, అవునా కాదా? 15 divided by 30 అంటే ఈజ్ వాట్? 1/2. 1/2 ఈజ్ వాట్? 0.5. మళ్ళీ మనకు 0.5s వస్తున్నాయి. సో ఆన్సర్ వచ్చే ఛాన్సెస్ ఉన్నాయా? లేదు. నెక్స్ట్ చూడు, మైనస్ అండ్ ఇంటూ అంటున్నాడు. మైనస్ ఇంటూ ఇంటర్చేంజ్ చేస్తే మేబీ దేర్ ఈస్ ఎ పాసిబిలిటీ అయి ఉండొచ్చు కదా. ఎస్ ఆర్ నో చెప్పండి అమ్మా. కానీ ఒకసారి చూడు, అక్కడ మైనస్ ఇంటూ ఇంటర్చేంజ్ చేస్తే 40 into 60 అవుతుంది కదమ్మా. 40 into 60 అంటే ఎంతమ్మా? 2400. వెరీ హై నంబర్. అప్పుడు కూడా వచ్చే ఛాన్సెస్ ఉంటాయా? ఉండదు. సో వాట్ ఈస్ బెస్ట్ అంటే లెట్స్ గో ఫర్ ఫోర్త్ ఆప్షన్. ఒకసారి చూద్దాం ఫోర్త్ ఆప్షన్ చేసి. 15 వాడు ఏమి ఇంటర్చేంజ్ చేయమంటున్నాడు? ఇంటూ అండ్ ప్లస్. సో 15 into 30 అంతేనా? చెప్పండి అమ్మా. 15 into 30 divided by 6 plus 40 minus 60. Look at this. First bottommost rule, I have to go for division. What will I get? 5. Next I should go for 15 into 5, 75. 75 plus 40, 115. 115 minus 60 is what? 55. Done. Which option is my answer? Fourth option. Clear? Next, your next question is, this is based on verbal analogy. What is this? Verbal analogy. So most of the times in verbal analogy, they'll use either questions from English or from general awareness. Please make a note of this. Verbal analogy will especially be used to ask questions from English or from general awareness. And verbal odd man out also will have the same thing, because error and infallible. What is infallible? Amma? Error is failing or making mistakes. Infallible ante never failing. You can never fail anamata. Never failing ante this is opposite words. Flaw and impeccable will be your answer. Impeccable means flawless. Flaw ante enti mistakes. Error. Flaw ante error. Okay na? Chalo. Next. Third question. What is third question? Now this is a good one. So look at this. This is 36 and 49. I'll divide that 4-digit number into two parts. It's related to 4 to 5. 4 plus 2 is what? 6 square is 36. 2 plus 5 is what? 7. 7 square is 49. So what's the question? 8149. The sum of the first two digits should be, this is 9 square kada, and this is 7 square. In the options, the sum of the first two digits should be 9 and the sum of the next two digits should be 7. Which option will be my answer? Third option. 7 plus 2 9, 2 plus 5 7. Done kada? Let's go for the fourth question. Now look at this. Arrange the following words in a logical and meaningful order. Hexagon, how many sides? 6. Pentagon, 5. Octagon, 8. Heptagon, 7. Nanagon, 9. Either the number should be in descending order or ascending order. Descending order and highest to smallest. If it is highest to smallest, then fifth option should be in the first. Fifth number should be in the first place. Do you see number 5 in first place? No. So obvious game kavali 5 6 7 8 9. 5 ante 2, 6 ante 1, 7 ante 4, 2 1 4 3 5. Option 2. 2 1 4 3 5. Option 2. Right kada? Cheppandamma. Next, ela chestam manam? Will you write place values or you will just read the place values? What is S? 19. What is V? 19, 22, 25 అంటే +3. 25 plus 3, 28. 28 is what? B. B is 2. 2 plus 3, 5. సరిపోయింది కదా? So I am done with the first letter. First letter is B. How many options are starting with B? 3 options. What I'll try to do is, I'll go with the last letter once. I'll go with the last letter. Let me see the last letter. 14, 19. Come on, 14, 19 plus 5. 19, 24 plus 5. 24 plus 5, 29. 29 అంటే ఏంటమ్మా? C. C అంటే 3. 3 plus 5, 8. సరిపోయింది కదా? H. So your answer should start with B and end with C. How many options? Only one option. Sixth question. But this is not that easy. Whether you have to perform row operations or column operations, you have to be very clear. అర్థమవుతుందా? రో ఆపరేషన్ పర్ఫామ్ చేయాలా, కాలమ్ ఆపరేషన్ పర్ఫామ్ చేయాలా, దానిపైన ఒక క్లారిటీ రావాలి. అర్థమవుతుంది అందరికీ? ఎస్. ఇప్పుడు ఒక విషయం చూడండి అమ్మా. మ్యాక్సిమం మోస్ట్ ఆఫ్ ద టైమ్స్ వాట్ జనరల్లీ హ్యాపెన్స్ ఇస్ the combination of the first two will give us last. Most of the times. I don't say every time. I'll say most of the times. So similarly, what's the problem here? And 33 and 62 are much more higher than 19. Yes? So don't go for row operations. Here, I'll tell you one thing. We'll go with column operation. We'll take the help of 44 and 19 to get 257. I'll take the help of 25 and 33 to get 59. 259 is very close to a square. 257, sorry. 257 is very close to a square. What square is this close to? I can say this is 16 square plus 1. Yes or no? This is not only 16 square. This is also 4 power 4. Yes? Now I think you got an idea what's here, going on here. 4 power 4 plus 1 power 9. 44 and 19 are written in this way. ఇది ఈజీ కాదు అనుకున్నాను. ఆ లాజిక్ ఆ టైంలో మనకి మైండ్కి తట్టడం అనేది కొంచెం ఇబ్బంది. కానీ ఏమిటంటే, ఇఫ్ యూ ప్రాక్టీస్ మోర్ అండ్ మోర్ క్వశ్చన్స్ ఆఫ్ దిస్ టైప్, you'll see more logics, and these different logics will be stored in your buffer memory. Whenever it is necessary, you have to collect that logic. Chalo, look at this. 2 power 5. What is 2 power 5? 32 plus 3 power 3. I'm going with column operation. I'm going with the first and the last to get the middle. Is this clear? 27. This 32 plus 27 is 59. What should be my answer? 5 power 3 plus 6 power 2. 125 plus 36. What is that? 161. Okay? The first and last numbers to get the middle number. Clear? Everyone? Copy. We'll go for the 7th question. Let's see what is the 7th question. P plus Q. Whenever you come across this type of questions, I have told you many a number of times, there is one thing that is supposed to be observed. What is that? Check whether the first letter and the second letter are same in left hand side and right hand side. Okay na? First చూడు, P plus Q. P is the son of Q. P star Q. Q is the brother of P. Change వచ్చింది. Yes? Whenever you see star, you have to be very alert. P into Q, P is the mother of Q, P divided by Q, P is the father of Q. If F into D, what is F into D? A, sorry, what is F into A? Come on, F is the mother of A. Now it says A star D. D is the brother of A, because it's given in reverse in the question. D is the brother of A. D plus G. D is the son of G. F and G are married couple. Clear? G divided by G is the father of B. G is the father of B. So A, D and B are 3 siblings. Antena? What's the question? Then how is D related to B? How is D related to B? Brother. How is D related to B? Your answer is brother. Shall I go for the next question? Yes. What's happening here? As soon as you see and you have identified what these numbers are, C and X opposite, HS opposite, RI opposite, UF opposite, KP, MN opposite. Opposite to W is D, but opposite to T is not F. So which option is my answer? Fourth option. Odd man out. Ninth question. Let's go for the differences between the numbers. This series is in increasing order. What is the difference here? 8. And this is 9. Come on, next. 29 and 93. 64. What's your observation here? 2 cube, 3 square. 4 cube, my next number should be 5 square. 93 plus 25. 93 plus 25 is 118. And then you'll go for 6 cube. 118 plus 6 cube is 334. Absolutely right. Clear? So, n square, n cube. Next. Question number 10. Roll. How did you write roll as? You have numbers here. You have numbers here. What is R's place value? 18. What is O's place value? 15. So what has he done here, ante? R-O-L-E. He is dividing the word into two halves. The place value of R is 18. The place value of O is 15. He is writing these place values in reverse. So this becomes 5181. This is 12 and this is 5. But what will I do? I'll write these place values in reverse. So this becomes 521. That's what you see here. So obviously the answer for play P-L-A-Y. Divide into two halves. What is P? 16. What is L? 12. 2161. This is 125. This will be 521. 2161, 521 is option 2. Clear? Write down the place values and then reverse. Divide the word into two equal halves. Next, 11th question. 11th is a question on what? Amma? Syllogisms. So this is a question on syllogisms. Shall we try this? Come on, what's happening here? All papers are pens. Wait a second. All paper are pens. Next, no pencil is pen. No pencil is pen. Okay na? Chapandama. So, what's going on here? All papers are pen. No pencil is pen. Done? First one. No paper is pencil. Right or wrong? Absolutely right. No paper is pencil is absolutely right. And then, what is the complementary? Some papers are pencil. Can this pencil go inside and touch paper? No. And your regular conclusion is true. Second, no pen is paper. No pen is paper, right? No. Wrong kada. ఎందుకు పెన్కి పేపర్కి మధ్యలో రిలేషన్ లేదంటున్నాడు వాడు, కానీ అక్కడ చూస్తే పెన్కి పేపర్కి మధ్యలో రిలేషన్ ఉంది. రాంగ్. సమ్ పెన్సిల్స్ ఆర్ పేపర్స్. ఆర్ సమ్ పెన్సిల్స్ పేపర్స్? నో. సో వాట్స్ యువర్ ఆన్సర్? ఓన్లీ వన్ ఫాలోస్. Let's go for the 12th question. 8 words have been given, out of which 7 are alike in some manner and 1 is different. Select the odd one. Mouse, keyboard, printer, Windows, monitor, headphone, scanner and speaker. Windows. Windows is a software. Yes? Chala. 13. Dermatology is related to skin. So dermatology is related to skin. The study on skin is dermatology. Ophthalmology is for eyes. Look at these. Don't look at those letters. Look at the place values. Only read out of the place values. 3, 5, 7, 11, 13. 3, 5, 7, 11, 13. అయిపోయింది. ఏమిటవి? ప్రైమ్ నెంబర్స్. అవునా కాదా? 13 తర్వాత is what? 17. What is 17? Q. In an exam, 150 questions, a correct answer is given +1 mark and a wrong answer is given -1 mark. If no question is attempted, there are 0 marks. If a student attempted only 70% of the questions, out of 150, 70% is what? 15 into 7, 105. How many attempted? 105. And got 75 marks. How many marks did he get? 75. What's the question? How many marks did he answer correct? How many questions did he answer correct? Amma, he has attempted 105 questions and he got 75 marks. The question is about how many questions did he attempt correct? Avuna kada? So the difference between marks and the questions attempted is 30. Yes or no? If all 105 were right, then he would have scored 105 kada. And all his 105 questions are not right. Okay na? Yes. You can also go with the options. You can also go with the options. Amma, if 80 are correct, what am I not? 80 are correct. 80 are correct ante any wrong అయినట్టు 25. 25 wrong అవుతే మరి -25 చేయాలి కదా 80లో. 80 - 25 చేస్తే నాకు ఎంత వస్తుంది? 55. కానీ వాడికి వచ్చిన మార్క్స్ ఎంత? 70. అర్థమవుతుందా నేను చెప్పేది? నెక్స్ట్ 85 కరెక్ట్ అనుకో. 85 కరెక్ట్ అవుతే ఎన్ని రాంగ్ అయినట్టు? 20 రాంగ్. ఎస్ ఆర్ నో? He has attempted how many questions? 105 questions. 20 wrong ante -20. 85 - 20 ante 65. But how many marks he got? 70. Look at the next one. 90. How many correct? 90 correct. Then how many are wrong? 15. How many are wrong? 15. Because he has attempted how many questions? 105. What is 90 - 15? 75. అయిపోయింది కదా ఆన్సర్? ఎస్ ఆర్ నో? లేకపోతే ఈ క్వశ్చన్ ఎలా చేయాల్సి వచ్చేది? కరెక్ట్ ఈస్ ఎక్స్, ఇన్కరెక్ట్ ఈస్ 105 మైనస్ ఎక్స్ కదా. టోటల్ నెంబర్ ఆఫ్ క్వశ్చన్స్ అటెంప్టెడ్ 105. Out of those, if you remove the correct answers, then the remaining are wrong answers. Yes or no? This plus this is equals to how many marks? 75 marks. But for correct answer you get 1 mark. For wrong answer you get -1 marks. This is x minus 105 plus x is equals to 75. అంతే కదమ్మా, చెప్పండి ఏమవుతుంది? 2x is equals to 180. Then automatically x is equals to 90. ఇక్కడ నేను ఎంత లేదన్నా సరే ఒక 30 seconds టైం వేస్ట్ అయిపోయింది. మనకు ఆన్సర్ ఫాస్ట్గా రావాలి. ఆప్షన్స్ ప్రకారం వెళ్ళిపోయా, అయిపోయింది కదా. కరెక్ట్ ఆన్సర్కి 1 మార్కు, రాంగ్ ఆన్సర్కి -1 మార్కు. వాడు అటెంప్ట్ చేసింది 105 క్వశ్చన్స్. 80 రైట్ అయినాయి అంటే 25 రాంగ్. 85 రైట్ అయ్యాయంటే 20 రాంగ్. 85 రైట్కి 85 మార్క్స్. 20 రాంగ్కి మరి -20 కలపాలి కదా. 85 - 20 అంటే 65. కుదరట్లేదు. 90 రైట్కి 90 మార్క్స్. మీకు ఎన్ని రాంగ్ వేసాడు? 15 రాంగ్. 15 రాంగ్కి -15. 90 - 15 ఎంత? 75. సరిపోయిందా లేదా? ఎస్ ఆర్ నో? అది దిస్ ఈస్ హౌ యూ డూ ఇట్. ఓకే, లెట్స్ గో ఫర్ నెక్స్ట్ వన్. నా దిస్ ఈస్ అ గుడ్ వన్. దిస్ ఈస్ అ గుడ్ వన్. ఎక్సలెంట్ క్వశ్చన్. SYSTEM system is coded as DLRRSX. Okay na? Sorry. DLRRSX. Chalo, come on. Ma vinanamma. If you observe carefully, you do have different letters. Ante kada? ఈ DLRRSX అనేవి నీట్గా ఆల్ఫాబెటికల్ ఆర్డర్లో రాశారు. అవునా కాదా? చెప్పండి. దే ఆర్ ఆల్ రిటన్ ఇన్ ఆల్ఫాబెటికల్ ఆర్డర్. సో వాట్స్ హ్యాపెనింగ్ హియర్ అంటే మంచిగా వినండి. ద లెటర్స్ ఆఫ్ ద వర్డ్ సిస్టమ్ ఆర్ రిటన్ ఇన్ ఆల్ఫాబెటికల్ ఆర్డర్. E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, S, T, Y. D, L, R, R, S, X. -1, -1, -1, minus. Tough ఇది. Okay na? You have to write all the letters in alphabetical order and then go for -1. Okay, now? Branch, if you write it in alphabetical order, what comes first? A, B, C, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R. -1, Z, A, B, G, N-1, M, R-1, Q. Z, A, B, G, M, Q is your answer. Tell me which option is my answer? Mama? Second option. Clear? Write all the letters of the word in alphabetical order and then subtract 1 from each letter. 17. So this is on odd man out. Okay? All the options should establish or they should exhibit the same rule. What is 5 plus 6? What is 5 plus 6? Into 4, 44. 3 plus 7, 10. Into 4, 40. 9 plus 5, 14. Into 4, 56. 8 plus 4, 12. Into 4 is 48. But what's the number given over there? 46. So which option is wrong? Fourth option is wrong. Sum of the digits into 4 will give you the second number. 18. What's happening here? 3, 5, 9, 15, 45, 5, 20, 20. Okay, observe this carefully here. 3, 5, 9. 3 into 5? 5 into 4, sorry, 5 into 9? 45. Okay, now? What am I doing next? 1 into 5, 5. 5 into 4, 20. 4 into 5, 20. Clear? Yes? So, which option do you have the same rule? ఏ ఆప్షన్లో వస్తుందో చూడండి. సెకండ్ ఆప్షన్ మా సెకండ్ ఆప్షన్ 5 into 7, 35, 7, 9, 63. 3 5s 15, 5 6, 30, 6 times of 3 is 18. Done? Which option? Second option. 19. 6 students A, B, C, D, E, F write an exam and got different marks. How many students? 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Okay, na? 6 students A, B, C, D, E, F write an exam and got different marks. C got more marks than A. C got more marks than A but not D. So C is getting less marks than D. Clear? Next. E got more marks than B. E has scored more than B but not F. So E has not scored more than F. F got more marks than A but not C. So this F is between C and A. Antena? So D greater than C greater than F greater than A. Ante kadamma? Chapali. Inkemantunnado chudu. F got more marks than A but not C. E got the second least marks. E got the second least marks. Clear? Everyone. So F has to be before E కదా చెప్పండమ్మా. ఈ తర్వాత ఎవరు వస్తున్నారో చూడు. డన్. ఈ తర్వాత ఎవరు వస్తున్నారు? సో అలా పైకి వెళ్ళిపోతే డి, సి, ఎఫ్, ఏ. ఇంకో ఆప్షన్ ఉందా? లేదు. క్వశ్చన్ ఏమిటి? How many persons got more marks than A? More marks than A. How many? 3. Option number 3. 20. So yes, this is not clear here. I think this is very clear in your handouts. Isn't it? Please check this. This is 1/4 of the diagram, actual diagram. This is how the question would look. What's your answer? Absolutely right. We'll go with third option. 21. This is mirror image. And you have a mirror is placed on the right side or left side? Amma? Right side. So we will decide the answer with the help of these arrows. Yes? Come on. And where do you find that? We will find that in third option as well as, come on, fourth option. But look at this image here. This would look something like this. Yes? So A option ki vellipovali, third option. Handouts lo correct ga vachindi chudandi amma. Identi? How many triangles antunnadu? Avuna kada? Sorry, how many triangles? How many? 10. 1. See, first I'll go with single triangles. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay na? Then go for two combination. 1, 2, 3. Ante kada? Next to go for combination of 3 triangles. This is one and this is the other one. Yes? And then combination of all the 4. 4 plus 3 plus 2. There is only one triangle. So what's your answer? 10. Clear? 23. What's the question here? Observe the following diagram and answer the question. Find the number of students who play any 2 of the 3 sports. Any 2 of the 3. Amma? Any 2 of the 3. So any 2 ante? Minimum 2 kada? చెప్పండి. ఎనీ 2 అంటే ఏంటిది? హూ ప్లే ఎనీ 2 ఆఫ్ ద 3 గేమ్స్. ఎనీ 2 అంటే ఉన్న మూడిట్లో ఏమన్నా 2 గేమ్స్ ఆడే వాళ్ళ గురించి మాట్లాడుతున్నాడు. అవునా కాదా? సో ఏమన్నా 2 గేమ్స్ ఎవరు వాడుతున్నారు? 6, 5. 5 + 6 ఎంత? 11. డన్? Yeah, this would look something like this. It's not clear on the screen. Which option? Fourth option. Next is C. Mirror image, and mirror is placed on the right side. And this is pretty easy. Come on, what's your answer? Amma? Absolutely right. And I hope you have all followed this. Any doubts? Thank you.